Are you struggling with too many lenses and not enough hands? Does your lack of zoom fill you with gloom? What's a modern photographer on the go to do? Introducing the world's first 10 times optical zoom, the Sigma 60 to 600mm lens. Gone are the days of struggling to switch lenses in the middle of a gig and sacrificing zoom range for portability. Now you have everything you need in one beautiful package. So ditch the clutter and click the shutter.
Hey guys, it's Dominic Lewis here from Focus Camera. We're actually trying out a brand new lens today. It's the 60 to 600mm sports lens from Sigma. So this lens kind of gives you the best of both worlds, combining your medium telephoto lens with your telephoto lens, giving you an entire range of 10 times optical zoom, which is the first lens ever to ever do something like this. This lens actually has a maximum aperture of 4.5 and has 6.3 at its 600mm focal length, which is not so bad considering that this lens is literally, like I said again, 10 times optical zoom. Considering this lens is pretty big, it actually comes in at a weight of 2,700 grams, making it about 6 pounds, making it a nice, little newborn baby. It's constructed entirely of 3 different materials. The first material that's built into it is an aluminum alloy. The second material is a TSC, which is a thermal stable composite. And the last material built into it is a carbon fiber plastic, which is made out what the lens hood's made out of, and a few other pieces of the lens. The reason it's made out of 3 different materials actually makes it a lot lighter, and also makes it a little bit cheaper to manufacture a lens like this. This lens costs $1,999, makes it a little bit in the mid-range of kind of the higher end of lenses, because there are a lot other lenses for Canon and Sony and Nikon that you can buy that cost a lot more than the lens like this. You're not getting nearly as good of a range as this lens can give you. So built into this lens is a couple things. First thing is actual designated DG, meaning that it's designated for digital. The next thing is OS. And OS is for optical stabilization. That's Sigma's designation for stabilization. This thing has 2 different OS modes. It has OS 1, which is used for vertical and horizontal optical stabilization. And the second mode is OS 2, which is used for horizontal, vertical, and also diagonal stabilization, which is perfect for panning and motion shots, and also very good for video if you're shooting video with this type of lens. This lens actually comes in 3 different mounts: Nikon, Canon, and Sigma. Sorry, Sony shooters, but if you're a Sony shooter, you can always buy a Sigma adapter and mount that lens to your Sony body. So the great thing about this lens, it also comes with this nifty carrying case that you can use when you're on location. So having a range like 60 to 600 is perfect for these type of situations, especially because when you're in a marathon, you kind of want to be able to get long and far, and like how most journalists, they usually carry 2 bodies with them. Usually it's a 24 to 70 and a 70-200 or whatever other focal length they want. But the great thing about this is you kind of have your entire range in one lens and one body. So there's no need to carry around extra lenses or extra bodies. So I really like that as runners are approaching me, I'm able to back up, get a lot better shot. That 60mm is perfect for just getting those close-up shots. And I also got that 600 because if I want to get something way down the block, I can also do that too. So guys, that was my day shooting with the new Sigma 60 to 600mm lens. Like I say, besides the lens being, quite heavy, and after a couple of minutes my arms do get very tired, this is like the most versatile lens that you can ever get on the market right now. This is the only lens in the world right now that has a 10 times optical zoom. The good thing is I don't need to ever change lenses, especially when I'm shooting events, and I don't need to bring a second body, so it definitely saves me a lot of time and a lot of money. One thing I do like too, the autofocus is very fast, it's snappy, it's right to the point. Even when I have it mounted with the Canon EOS R, which is not native, I'm actually using the adapter, but I'm very, very happy with the quality of this lens today. And you can buy us now at focuscamera.com. I'll see you guys later. Thank you.